turkey season is 26 days away
Very
from
close.
us.
Very close.
And it is real. We're getting used to this sunlight. That big light in the sky has been gone for like a week. We're gonna pattern our shotguns. We're gonna be shooting several different loads. We got a couple Hevishot, some Winchester, some Kent, Remington, Federal, a little bit of everything out here. Only thing we don't have, I'm sure everybody's gonna be like, why did you shoot that? Is the TSS. I know it's a big popular ammo, but I didn't want to pay $50 for 5 rounds.
No,
I'm cheap. We didn't do that. So that's the one thing we're probably not shooting that people are gonna want to see. But I'm shooting a Mossberg 535. I just picked up a Jebs choke at the NWTF show. You're shooting
Mossberg 835 with a Carlson choke.
So we're gonna be shooting. You can't see it right here. 40 yards is gonna be the first round. We're each gonna shoot the same load and see how it patterns. Pretty self-explanatory. You know how this works. So we're gonna quit talking and start shooting. All right, first shell is the Winchester. This is a 2 3/4 inch shell. It's a poke or 2 3/4 shot for sure.
Oh yeah.
There's nobody hitting anything. Let's go see what it did. Alright, here's the results of the 2 3/4. Keith kind of 9 shots in here at 40 yards. I won't be using that. I mean, that's the only one even near the turkey. And I may have pulled it left, but alright, that answers that on that shell for me. Alright, after deliberation, no more 2 3/4 shells.
Nope, those are out.
Yeah, so unless we get towards the end and we're just curious about how one of them will do. So the rest of them are all 3 3.5s. So just that Winchester and this Kent we're not going to shoot. But again, we may shoot them towards the end. But.
All right, we're shooting 835 this go around. 3-inch, 4-shot Remington nitro turkey.
All right. All right, let's go see what she did. All right, there's Keith's shot. That's a lot better. That's a dead turkey. So we're gonna move on to the next one. We'll count all the BBs towards the end. Good. All right, this is the same thing Keith just shot. It's the Remington Nitro. So. All right.
Let's go check her out.
You ready?
This is the Federal 3-inch, 5-shot.
Well,
18.
18, okay.
18, just a little better.
That's your best shot so far.
Yep.
All right, let's switch out targets. All right, same thing, the Federal 3-inch number 5 shot, 40 yards. Yeah. All right, this is my best shot so far. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 around the neck area. So, all right. On you.
Shooting the heavy metal, 3.5-inch, 4-shot. It should get interesting.
Yeah, hang on to what you got. Hot dog.
I think I should shot under. It's the heavy metal 4-shot, 3.5-inch.
But you knew right away, you said you pulled it, you felt like you shot low, and you can tell.
Yeah, I definitely shot low. We'll reshoot that one again once we're done.
But there's, I mean, that's 4 or 5 right there, it'll kill it, so. All right, heavy metal, 3.5 inch. got several. Not bad. Alright.
Sorry if y'all can't hear this. The wind is
It's
crazy.
real windy out here.
Alright, for the choke that I've got in this gun, the Carlson, this ammo is supposed to be made for this choke and hold a super tight pattern, so we'll see. It's a 3.5 inch 6-shot.
Alright, lay it to it. Yeah, come on. That is by far your best shot.
It's definitely a dead bird.
I mean, I ain't gonna start counting yet because we'll get back and count them all, but that's a good pattern.
Oh yeah. Alright, let's try the 535.
Same ones Keith just shot. This is the Longbeard XR 3.5 6-shot. He said it packs a punch, so let's see what she's got. Left. Not much better. I must have pulled the heck out of that one. That 3.5 inch must have scarred me. Alright.
There's more in there. I mean, more than likely that's a dead bird. You took his spine out.
Yeah. Alright, let's.
Alright, the Mossberg 835, Longbeard XR, 3-inch, 5-shot.
Lay it to it. Boom. That's a dead bird.
There it is, the 835, 3-inch, 5-shot, Winchester Longbeard. You can see several, a lot in the head.
Yeah, a lot in the head.
So, I'd say that's a dead bird.
Oh yeah. Alright. Longbeard XR, 3-inch, number 5 shot. I'm pulling left bad on mine. I'll have to adjust for that. Switch my sights up, but I mean there's several right here. But if I can move that over to here, I'd be good.
See, there's 6 or 7 in there though.
Yeah. Alright.
Alright. I put the original choke back in the gun that came with it. Extra full turkey choke and the heavy metal 3.5 inch 4-shot, which is what I shot my first turkey with in 2016. And we're going to see what this pattern holds compared to the
difference in his Carlson choke and the stock choke.
Yeah, this
as you can see.
stock extra full turkey choke, 3.5 inch, 1, 2, 3.
I mean, it's a dead bird, but
Definitely loving that Carlson choke.
big difference. We're at a target, so we're putting Keith's artistic skills to the test. This is a
Like a
mix between a
goose.
turkey and a duck. Oh, he's getting fancy on us now. That'll do. Got to put the snooze. Gonna put the snooze on there.
Oh yeah.
Now it looks like a turkey.
Oh, we're ready now.
Yeah, now I can shoot it. I'm gonna redo the 12 gauge, 3.5 inch, number 6 shot Longbeard. Just me. Alright, let's see what that is.
Now this target isn't the best. I drew that on there and you can barely see it from here, so we'll see.
Snooze. That's much better. I aimed a little right, and I could have been aiming low because it was hard to see the artistic designs here. But it's definitely a better pattern.
Yep.
Yeah, for sure. 50 yards?
50 yards, 3.5 inch 6 shot, back with the Carlson choke on our makeshift targets.
Yeah. Alright. Well, he called it low, and he was right. It's low. Pretty much right in here.
Yeah, you can see it.
Yeah, you can see it on the wood here, but right in here.
But there's one kill shot right there. Took
Yeah,
his eye
got
out.
one in the head, so it killed it. But that's 50 yards. That's a poke. So, alright. On to the next one. Alright, I'm going to shoot again number 5 shot, 3 inch, the longbeard. See if I can again adjust my sights.
This is also a 40-yard sight,
Yeah.
or a shot at our
Stayed at
little
40 yards.
makeshift target.
Much better. I mean, you can see this is the majority of mine. I was still aiming a little right, so it's staying right there. But
It's a dead bird for
dead
sure.
bird. Alright. So, first thing,
Pretty sore.
gonna be a little sore tomorrow probably. It's been a while since I both shot, so you know, gotta break in the old shoulder. Alright, first thing I think we can both agree on, 2 3/4.
Not good for,
Not at 40 yards.
no, definitely not.
I mean, if you're a kid, you know, maybe 20 yards and younger with a 2 3/4, but I wouldn't feel comfortable going out there with a 2 3/4 shot. Now, I'm not saying you can't kill a bird with it. You can kill a turkey with it, but I'm not going to the woods with it. So, the first one is what we shot, wasn't it? The Winchester?
Yep.
2 3/4. Yeah, it had 1 bullet on the whole paper. So, that one's out. I hope you guys can hear us over this wind. It is kicking out here. Sorry. Huh?
I bet you can.
Alright, the second shot was yours with a Remington Nitro,
Yep, which is
3 inch. Yeah. You had 1 right in the neck bone. I'd say, you know, 1 in the head, 3, 4.
a couple of the.
If you're counting
It'll do the job.
in the bullseye, it'll get the job done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'd say maybe 20 inside the pie shell. They'll get the job done. Not the most impressive so far. This was the same thing, Remington Nitro out of my 535. I'd say only like 10 or so inside the pie shell. So again, get the job done. Not the best one. Then we went to the Federal out of Keys 835, and again, I'd say
Probably 10 or so in there.
yeah,
Dead bird for sure.
dead bird
but
for sure.
Not the greatest pattern.
Not what you're looking for. Federal out of my 535, same kind of thing, just inside the pie shell, 15 or so. Get the job done at 40 yards. So this was the 3.5 heavy metal.
Clean miss for me.
Yeah, no, he had 1 right here,
Then like 3 in the neck.
3 in the net. It'd kill the bird, but that's the one you said you shot low.
Yeah.
You felt like you shot low, so that's that one. That was a 3.5 inch. Then this was same one of mine, maybe 10 inside the pie shell. Get the job done, but not what you're looking for. And then this was the Winchester Longbeard out of your 835, the 6 shot.
3.5 inch 6 shot.
I don't know if you can see this. That turkey is blistered. That was your best shot by far. I'm talking inside the pie shell, an easy
40.
Oh, I would say 50. That bird it's gonna be flopping quick. So that was your best one so far. Hang on to that one. And then I shot the same one out of my 530, the Winchester Longbeard number 6, 3.5. I pulled it left. Now I shot it again shortly after on our makeshift drawing here, and I adjusted my sights, and it is much better. Inside the pie shell is another, would you agree, 50?
Easy.
Inside this little 10-ring shell here, you can't see because it's cardboard or whatever, no. But yeah, those 2 were our best at that point. Was the Longbeard. And this was the Longbeard out of yours, 3-inch shell, number 5 shot. Not quite as good, but still a dead bird. That one you may be a little high and right on that one.
Right.
But, and then,
Not on purpose, but
not on purpose, yeah, it happens. Same shell, Winchester Longbeard, number 5, 3-inch. I pulled mine a little left, but it got the job done. And then this was your stock choke. Drastic difference between the stock choke and your Carlson.
Definitely stock choke came with the gun, which is actually what I killed my first turkey with. At like, of course, he was at like 15 yards.
Yeah.
3-inch, 4-shot. No, 3.5-inch 4-shot heavy metal.
Heavy metal.
Done the job, but it looks like I'll be sticking with the Carlson choke and the Longbeard shells.
Yeah. And then Keith shot at 50 yards with the 3.5-inch 6-shot Winchester Longbeard. Real good pattern. But right after he shot, he said he knew he shot low, and he did. It was below target, but it would have killed the bird still. So overall, I would say I like the Longbeard XR. The number 5 and number 6 shot, I think it's a toss of a coin to me. I would probably go towards the number 6 and probably a 3-inch shell would be my choice at this point. You?
I'm going to do the number 6 shot as well, but I'm going to go ahead and shoot the 3.5 because that's what I've got.
He likes the big boys.
So,
he likes that punch in his shoulder.
I don't mind my shoulder being a little bit sore.
So yeah, we enjoyed it. This was fun getting out shooting. Like I said, turkey season's only 26 days away. I'm gonna go recoup, let my shoulder rest a little bit, see if I get a bruise tomorrow morning.
Also the velocity
Yeah.
on both Longbeards are the same at 1200, and the 3-inch is 1 3/4 ounce, and the 3.5-inch is 2 ounce.
Yeah. So those are some things to take into effect. So if you guys are shooting the same guns, if you're shooting a 535 or an 835 Mossberg, let us see if this wind will blow over. Hang on, it's kicking. Let us know what you're shooting. If you're shooting a 535 or the 835, what choke are you guys using, and what shell do you like? We're going to be hitting the woods hard this season together. So hopefully we'll have some of these bullets or these shotgun shells going to work, and instead of shooting targets, you'll see how they do on real birds.
Let us see your patterns.
Yeah, let us know.
Put them in the comments.
Yeah, and then we were shooting at 40 yards. Here comes a vehicle. Oh, he's bumping.
Little thug on the dirt.
Yeah. We were shooting at 40 yards. Ideally, I want that bird a lot closer than 40 yards. But at least we know at 40 yards we can kill a bird. If I had a choice, I'm going to have that sucker at like 15, 20 yards at the most. I'm going to let him commit to my decoy setup for sure. I think you would agree.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so our setups we have so far this season, we've already got a couple spots picked out here on Keys Lane. We're in White County right now, but we've already got a couple spots set up, and we've already got spots we're going to brush in, and open areas that we know are 30 yards, 40 max, but 30 yards is or under is going to be the ideal situation when the turkeys come in. So yeah, that's all we got for you right now. You got anything else?
That's it, man. Ready.
26 days.
Yeah, man. I'm just ready.
26 days and counting. We came up here the other day and there was 13 turkeys out in the field, so we got pretty pumped when we saw that. So again, thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And again, let us know what gun you're shooting, what choke, and what shell you like to shoot out of it. And we appreciate it. It's a beautiful day. Sun is shining. It's real windy, but we're going to go here and enjoy his creation some more. So see y'all next time.